How to use Handihaler. Pull the dust cap upwards and open the mouthpiece by pulling the mouthpiece bridge up away from the bed, so the center chamber is showing. Peel back far until you see the whole capsule. Remove only one capsule. If you have opened more than one blister to the air, the extra capsule should not be used. Put the capsule in chamber, close the mouthpiece until it's clicked. Leave the dust cap open. Holding the Handihaler with mouthpiece point up, press green piercing button in once to release medicine. Breathe out away from the device. Put the mouthpiece between your teeth and close your lips to allow it. Breathe in forcefully and deeply through your mouth, so you should hear or feel the capsule vibrate. Remove the Handihaler from your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as comfortable. Breathe out slowly through your mouth or your nose. Open the mouthpiece, remove the used capsule and dispose it. Close and clean the mouthpiece by tissue or dry lint-free cloth. Close the dust cap. How to clean Handihaler. Open the dust cap and mouthpiece. Open the base by lifting up the green piercing bottom. Clean your Handihaler about one time each month. Rinse your Handihaler with water and let the device dry in the air before use. Close the beds, mouthpiece, and dust cap. Author recommendations. Repeat all steps for each puff ordered by your physicians. Wait 1 to 5 minutes in between puffs. If you have too tight of device, you should use the bronchodilator device first. Wait a few minutes and then followed by the corticosteroid device. Always check the number of capsules that shows the remaining doses. One pack contains 30 capsules. Use the Handihaler continuously followed by the doctor order. Should not stop the medication by yourself.